this is an evil administration, because that's what evil is. When you violate the law to inflict harm on others without any legitimacy.
美國喺世界範圍內橫行霸道，又為咗一己私利出賣盟友。美國海軍陸戰隊前情報官員斯科特里特踢爆美國真面目，直指北溪管道被炸事件就係一個例子。美國表面上承諾唔會對盟友發動戰爭，但係當涉及自身利益嘅時候，往往不惜出賣盟友利益，襲擊任何一個北約盟國。佢更明言，北約已經淪為美國嘅工具同犧牲品。
NATO no longer has a reason to exist. It hasn't had a reason to exist since the Cold War ended. But now that NATO has become NATO, this has exposed the fact that NATO is nothing more than a tool of the United States, and that the United States is willing to actually break the tool when necessary. If you're a member of NATO right now, you need, again, I'm going to just say it straight up. The number one threat to NATO is the United States of America. NATO doesn't help anybody unless it helps America. And when Germany became inconvenient because it wanted to have cheap Russian gas, we stabbed them in the back.